Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy. So let's start our today's topic, that is kitchen. Kitchen. Today we will learn about kitchen tools. Are you ready? So let's start. Refrigerator. This is refrigerator. We put fresh food in the fridge. Sink. This is sink. We washes dishes in the sink. Gas stove. This is gas stove. We cook food on the gas stove. Microwave. This is microwave. We make pizza, idli, cake and so many things in the microwave. Utensils. A kitchen utensils is a small handheld tool used for food preparation. LPG is used as fuel for gases. Mixer. This is mixer. This is an electronic device used for mixing and balancing.
I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say I always